overhaul repair on one of our right angle Amarillo gear drives. We probably put in some new gearing, some new shafts if needed, obviously new bearings and seals, troubleshooting it, doing the full diagnostics, and determining what went wrong with this gearbox to prevent it from happening again. Please stay tuned to see a step-by-step video tutorial. Thank you.